Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be making a birthday hat card. So as you can see, there's some spots. It's pink themed. There's like a pom-pom on the top and some little cute light pink stuff on the bottom. And once you open it, you can do something here if you want, and you can write and put stuff inside. So it's really cute, and yeah, so things you'll be needing is A4 sheet of paper. You need a round piece of paper for the pom-pom, and I drew some lines on it for where I need a cut. And then I have a rectangular piece of paper, and it has these stuff. Instead of doing dots, I'm doing cute little flowers, and I picked two different colors. You need some scissors, and since I already done that, you need pencil to draw and stuff. I used some hole punches to make these cute little flowers, and yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do, gonna put your A4 sheet of paper the way you would fold a normal card, and then you're gonna fold it if you were to be making a card. And you're not gonna fold it fully down, just gonna do the top corner. You're gonna do a little mark to show you where the middle is, and that's the middle. So now I'm gonna take one corner and I'm gonna fold it down, but it has to look like a triangle, if that makes sense. So it looks like this. And then we're gonna do the same with the other side. We're gonna fold it over like that. Okay, and now if you want, you can use a bowl or a cup or anything for to make the shape of the actual card. But I think I'm just gonna quickly draw the shape. I'm gonna start from here. We're gonna go like that. Might not be the straightest line, but that's okay. So now I'm gonna get my scissors, and I'm just gonna cut. There you go. So it should be looking like a cone now, and I'm gonna take, so for the pom-pom, you're gonna get a square. You can trace on a maybe the top lid of a glue stick or a bottle. You're gonna cut it, then you can do some lines. And now I'm just gonna cut the lines. So just carefully cut the lines. It's easier. You don't have to draw lines, but it's easier so you don't cut too far into the middle, and then it'll get split apart. I'm just gonna carefully cut. And one thing I also forgot to mention was you need a glue stick as well to glue all the stuff down. Nearly finished. There we go. And now we have cute little pom-pom type of thing. And then we are going to get our little flowers or dots or whatever shape you're gonna do. And so I have 8 of these dark green ones, and I also have 8 of these lighter ones. You can do whatever amount, but I just like doing 8. And I'll see you guys when I glue all of them down. Bye. So guys, I just finished gluing everything on, and now we're gonna get a pencil and we're gonna write whatever you want. So I'm just gonna stick with happy birthday, and yeah, so I'm gonna quickly write it. There we go, happy birthday. Now we're gonna get this long rectangle shape and we're gonna put the card aside. So for this, we actually need to measure, basically measure what size we need it, because this is gonna be this part of the card. And yeah, so we're gonna open up the card fully. There we go. Then we're gonna put this piece of paper, how much in the card we want. So just gonna put it on like that. And now, I don't know if you can see that line, but I am gonna kind of continue that line, but on this paper, and then do a bit extra for the actual part. So as you can see, that part is extra. And then I'm gonna do it on this side as well. So here's the line. And then I'm just gonna extend it. There we go. Now I'm gonna start from this side and I'm gonna kind of make a curved shape and over here. Now we are gonna put those away. We're gonna get our scissors and a rectangle piece of paper. We're just gonna quickly cut along the lines. There we go. So now we've got our shape. We are gonna take our pencil once again, and we're gonna try and just mark the halfway line each side. There we go, just mark the halfway lines. Now we are gonna draw lines just like the pom-pom. You can do it thick, thin, however you like. But we're just gonna draw some lines, which we're gonna cut along when we're done. There we go. Okay, so now we are going to take away the pencil and we're gonna cut these lines. If you don't want to do lines, that's okay, but I think it's just a better way to not cut them like more long, cut them more longer or shorter. So when you draw it, it's a bit more easier to cut it. Okay, we're nearly done. There we go. Now that we've cut that, we're gonna bring our card again and our glue stick. So we're gonna flip this over and we're gonna put glue where there's no lines, so above like that, you can see. And now I'm gonna flip it over and try and get these in line. There we go, and press down. Now we can fold it. There we go, and now we got this part in. And that is all for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!